What's up YouTube? It's your girl M Goofball and I'm back with another video. So as you might see from the title, I my hair up. One of my recent uploads was me dyeing my hair midnight blue black. I dyed my hair midnight blue black. I was loving it. Like, the color was so dark and vibrant. Even for that first week, like, everything seemed to be fine. The days and weeks went on, my hair started turning colors. And it seemed like every wash day my hair would change more, like as if I was rinsing out even more of that dark midnight blue black color. I noticed that every week my hair was getting lighter and lighter. Mind you, when I dyed my hair, I did have a little bit of my ginger blonde left from a year ago. I also have a video on my channel where I dyed my hair ginger blonde last spring. And so I had some of that on my ends, but it was only like a little bit, and so I didn't think it was a big deal. I thought I'd be able to just dye my hair dark, but I had no like knowledge that literally you cannot go from ginger blonde to dark ass colors, because when I did dye my hair from black to ginger blonde, I had no problems. Like, my hair was beautiful and my color lasted, everything was fine. But because I didn't know this whole transition, I messed up my hair. And at first I was very in denial. I was really in denial. Everybody was telling me like, your hair is green. I'm like, no, it's midnight blue black. You're colorblind. You know what I'm saying? I was really like defensive. I'm just like, I literally dyed my hair midnight blue black and sapphire. What are you talking about? Why is everybody telling me my hair is green? Enough people told me to the point where I'm just like, you know what? As the weeks go by, I was starting to see it. My hair was getting lighter. And even right now, my hair does not look super dark. I know in my recent videos, for some reason with my ring light, like my hair still looks fine. But I guess in natural light or looking in person, that shit is like green on the ends. And it's only the part of my hair that was ginger blonde. The rest of my hair is fine. It's just the ends. I wanted to come and tell you guys this because I want to be honest always with my supporters and let y'all know, like, I up and I'm gonna go get it corrected. I want you guys to know that if you do watch that video of me dyeing my hair dark, that you make sure that your hair is not blonde or light at all on any parts before you do that. I wanted to take you guys along with me. I don't even know how the lady's gonna fix it, but I'm going to the same studio that I went to get my hair straightened for the first time. I really trust these people. They're very professional. So I have no doubt that they're gonna be able to get my shit back sling and popping and like it never happened. I'm gonna take you guys with me. We're gonna try to see if we can get some footage of the process a little bit, and then I'll let you guys know like my end results and everything. If you're interested to see how I get my hair fixed, please keep on watching and make sure that you subscribe to my channel for more of my shenanigans, because anything's possible with me. Like, I'm bound to mess something up, but it's life. We live and we learn. But let's go ahead and get into this. Someone told me that I should have gone from my ginger blonde to red to black. Would that have still worked or no?
No, because the base color of blue black is blue. So if you get blue and red, it's not. It's gonna give you like a kind of black brownish color, because yellow, red, and blue are the base colors.
Okay.
So if you mix that red and that blue together, it's gonna give you like a brownish, blackish, funky looking color, and you want me to get the blue.
Right.